Did you know that over the last few years, Google searches for celery juice have skyrocketed by more than 1,000%? It's gone from a forgotten vegetable at the back of the fridge to a superstar wellness trend. What is it about this green liquid that has everyone from celebrities to your next-door neighbor completely hooked? Is it a miracle cure-all or just another health fad? Today, we're cutting through the noise and juicing out the real truth about celery juice. On one side, you've got people swearing it cleared their skin, healed their gut, and gave them boundless energy. They call it a detoxifying elixir, a miracle drink that can solve a laundry list of health problems. The other side, you have skeptics and some health professionals rolling their eyes, calling it nothing more than expensive green-tinted water with a lot of the good stuff fiber stripped away. They argue that the claims are wildly exaggerated and not backed by solid science. So who's right? Feels like you need a science degree just to decide what to have for breakfast. Is this the ultimate health hack, or just a massive marketing hype? Let's dig in and see what's really going on. First, let's look at what's actually in celery juice. Celery itself is mostly water, about 95%. But that remaining 5% packs a decent punch. It contains vitamins K, A, and C, along with potassium and folate. It's also rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, called flavonoids and polyphenols. When you juice celery, you concentrate these nutrients, which sounds great, right? But you also remove virtually all of its beneficial dietary fiber. Fiber is crucial for digestive health, blood sugar control, and feeling full. So, that's a major trade-off. As for the science, studies on celery itself show health benefits, but research specifically on celery juice is very limited. Most of the amazing stories you hear are anecdotal, meaning they're personal experiences, not results from controlled clinical trials. So while it's not just green water, it's also not the magic potion some claim it to be. So here's the big reveal, the moment of truth. The single most important thing to understand about celery juice is this. Its biggest benefit might not be what's in the juice, but what it replaces. Think about it. When someone starts their day with a big glass of celery juice, what are they not having? They're likely skipping the sugary coffee, the greasy breakfast sandwich, or the processed cereal. Starting your day by hydrating and loading up on vitamins instead of sugar and fat is a huge win for your health, regardless of whether it's celery, cucumber, or just plain water with lemon. The real miracle is the behavioral shift towards a healthier morning routine. Celery juice acts as a catalyst for better choices throughout the day. It's not about the celery itself having magical healing powers, but about the positive ripple effect it creates in your diet and lifestyle. That's the secret that's often overlooked. So, to wrap it all up, celery juice can be a healthy, hydrating, and nutrient-dense addition to your diet. It's not a magical cure, but it can be a great tool to kickstart a healthier routine. The key is to see it as part of a balanced diet, not a replacement for one. What are your experiences with celery juice? Is it a yay or a nay for you? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into health trends. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy, my friends.